Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel again, Muri official, where we deal with ICT and the computer science and the different skills. Today's lesson is about sorting and filter in Microsoft Excel. So now, why do we say sorting? So now, if we say sorting, we are saying to arrange numbers by using order, meaning from smallest to largest, or from largest to smallest, or the sorting also can be defined as the process of the sorting. This is the sorting here. The sorting can be also defined as the process of arranging names by using alphabetical order. So now the alphabetical orders. Number two, today we are going to say something about the filter. So now what does it mean, filter? The filter is used to display record which meet the criteria. So what are the criteria here? So now, for example, you see, so the filter, it is found from data tab here. When you open your Microsoft Excel, by default it comes like this. And then the filter is found here. It is found from data tab here. You see we have sorting. So the sorting is shown by these graphics here, you see. And then filter is shown by the following graphics. So suppose here we have different people from different countries. You see, they are numbered from 1 up to 11 with their corresponding names. Here we have countries, age, then you see, we have the countries as like this. The countries are different and they have different age. So now, what will happen? Suppose you have a document which contains many names and you want to arrange those names from you want to arrange these names by using alphabetical order. So now, for example, if you arrange by ascending order, if we say the sorting, you want to arrange these names by using ascending order. So now, if it is ascending order, we are starting from the smallest to largest, which is typed as A to Z. If it is descending, it is A to Z. We are starting from the largest to the smallest order. So now, suppose we want to arrange this data by using these names. For example, what we will do here, we will simply select the data here. We will select data which you want to sort, and then from data tab, you click this one, the sort here. Click this one, you will get this dialog box here. Here, you will be asked which column we will flow if you want to sort this one. We sort by names. For example, if we sort by names here, if it is order A to Z, it means from the smallest to largest. We click A to Z. If you click here, you get many order here. Z to A, like this, and then click OK. You see, someone with the A letter, with this A vowel, will become the first one with the corresponding entire row will come when it fulfills the condition here. So this is how you can sort. For example, also we can sort by age. We selected this one. Then sort by age. If you choose age here, it will change immediately. If you choose the age, because age are the numbers, you will be asked from smallest to largest or from smallest to largest. Suppose you are making a school report and you want to arrange this one by using their marks, by using their average. You want to arrange these names based by using descending order from the smallest one to the largest one. So guys, this is how you can easily sort. So now, what is filter? The filter is useful. This subroutine software, which is known as filter here, The filter is useful if you want to display some records which meet the criteria. For example here, you see, imagine if you have a document, if you have a workbook containing many students from different countries, and you want to display only those from Kenya, or only those from Rwanda, or you want to display all students with the same age 21. So let me do this one. Okay, let me bring the previous page here. Well, around here. So now, before sort data, we have had this one. So now from here, we want to arrange, we want to display only student with age less than 45. That is the criteria. That is the condition here. So what to do? You simply select only column here, and then you choose a filter. If you click this filter, something which is formed like a filter, you see this symbol looks similar like this one. You see, I think you get it. You get it here. So now, if you want to sort by using age, you will do this. No, if you want to filter by using this one, you will do this one, and then here, let me explain this one. If it is selected all, we will display all the records with the following numbers. Suppose you want to display only student, you will deselect this one, and then choose 21. What does it mean? Within a list I do have, I want only to display the student with age 21 years old. Then you click OK. Here you see only, within the list we have only how many students? You have only 2, like this one. So then you will be given this one to show that this file here, these names were displayed by filter. This is the meaning of this one. So now from here, if you click here, if you click to the filter again, you will get the entire data you have. Then you can also filter by using name. Here you see, by using country. If you click this one, you choose filter here, and then click this one, and then instead of using countries, let us select only from Rwanda. Here, select all here, and then select those from Rwanda, and then click OK. You will have only 3 students. So guys, this is how you can easily use sorting and filter from the sorting and filter group here within Microsoft Excel. So if this video supports you, don't fail to give us subscribe, share, and comment. So thanks. Hello guys, niriwe neza, nongeye kubasuhuza. Ni Paul Nkurikiyimana basuhuza nk'ibisanzwe. Hano tuba tuvuga ku masomo ya ICT na Computer Science mu rurimi rw'Ikinyarwanda n'ururimi rw'Icyongereza. Sasa today cyo kuvugaho, tugiye kuvuga ku kantu kitwa sorting and filter. Wowe icyo usabwe ni uko ufite amakuru ahangaha yawe turi buze gukoreraho utu tuntu ko ari tubiri. So now, hari ibintu mu mibare twajyaga tuvuga ngo ni ugukurikiranya ibintu by alphabetical order, cyangwa se ngo dutondeke imibare duhereye ku mutoya tujya ku munini, cyangwa tuva ku munini tujya ku mutoya. Ibyo ngibyo nibyo byitwa sorting. Nibyo byitwa sorting. Mvango dushobora kwa twanditse aya mazina, urabona nkano nanditse aya mazina mpere kwa mbere kwitwa Pole, wenda nshaka gukurikiranya aya mazina kuri alphabetical order, cyangwa se nyakurikiranyije mpere kuri A bitewe naho nshaka. Niba nshaka A kugira ngo akurikirane mpere kuri A kugera kuri Z, cyangwa se kuva kuri Z kugera kuri A, ibyo nibyo turi kwita sorting. So now, hanyuma filter ni iki rero sasa? Filter yifashishwa mu kugaragaza amakuru cyangwa se mu kudisplaying amakuru ariko ashingiye kuri condition. Reka dufate, urabona hano wenda muri liste dufitemo ibihugu byinshi bitandukanye. Muri iyi countries aba bantu baturuka mu bihugu byinshi bitandukanye, cyangwa se usibye n'ibi bihugu bafite n'imyaka itandukanye. Dufate urugero ko dufite nk'iyi liste ko iriho nk'abantu 100,000. dufate kiro wenda nk'abantu 100,000 barakubwiye bati none dushaka kudisplayingamo abanyarwanda gusa cyangwa se dushaka kudisplayingamo abantu bafite imyaka wenda 30. urumva ko icyo gihe ni ibintu bisa nkaho byagufata umwanya muremure. Dukoresheje utuntu ko ari tubiri, sorting and filter, ni ibintu byatworohera cyane. Hanyuma rero basortinga gute? Uraselectinga cyangwa se uraselectiona aya makuru wowe ufite, hanyuma ukirike hano kuri data. By default iyo wakije Microsoft Office cyangwa se Microsoft Excel usanga kariho hano, ujya hano muri data group, data tab, hanyuma hano dufite aka kantu kitwa A to Z, iyi graphics ni ibigaragaza sorting. Z2A ibigaragaza aka ni sorting ibamo order ebyiri, A to Z and Z2A. What does it mean? A to Z is ascending order from smallest to largest. Z2A is descending order from largest to smallest. Hanyuma anga bishatse kuvuga ikirero sasa. Ninza guselectinga hano ndakirika hano kuri kano ka graphics, hanyuma ndabanza nselectinga amakuru yose gutya, nkirikeho bareta bama kano gatebo, bambwire ngo kora umuntu ushaka kwifashisha uri gusortinga ni iyi. Wenda reka tuvuge ko kora umuntu nshaka kwifashisha ndi gusortinga ari iyi Amazina ahangaha. Hanyuma barambwira ngo nyasortinga we A to Z, ubwo umuntu utanywe n'inyuguti ya A ni urabanza. Okay, urabona ko umuntu witwa Aline ahangaha yagize gute? So then twaset, urabona ko uyu muntu wa mbere witwa Aline niwe waje imbere kwa ko twakoresheje A to Z sorting. Fango hano twamuta duselectinze hano dushaka gusortinga na dukoresheje aba bantu iyi myaka duherewe na ku mubare mutoya 21. Age will be the first one from smallest to largest. Urabona yuko uyu muntu witwa Aline n'undi ni uzaza ari imbere. Impamvu aje hano imbere nuko Aline na K A ni ibanza mbere, niyo mpamvu bigaragara kuri ubu buryo. So guys, this is ubu ni uburyo ushobora gusortingamo data zawe. Hanyuma filter rero, filter yo igiye nta kintu yo dufasha no kudisplayinga aya makuru ariko dushingiye kuri condition. Reka dufate ko muri iyi list yo dufitemo 100,000 cyangwa 10,000 bavuga ati displaying abanyarwanda gusa. Ufashe umwanya wo kuba jonjora kuba selecting abanyarwanda ushaka ku ruhande byagutwara umwanya muremure. By filter it is easy. What to do uselectinga column ni gusa ukaza ugakirika no kuri filter, kano kamenyetso kagaragara ko ari filter gahita kazaho. Hanyuma nibura filteringa wenda tuvuge wenda dushaka abantu bafite imyaka 21, hano urakirikaho filter, hanyuma hano select all uhitemo abantu bafite imyaka 21, hanyuma hano uraza guhita ubona yuko abantu baraza kuba selected. You see, no kirika no kuri filter, data zawe wari ufite zose zita zigaruka uko zari ziri. Wenda reka duselectinge dukoresheje countries, ubwo ni abantu nyine niduhitamo countries. Hano nshaka kuza nkihitamo ko nshaka wenda abantu bo muri Kenya. Hano ndaziselectinga, select all, mpitemo Kenya wenda n'abantu wenda bo muri Tanzania, ubwo nshaka abanyakenya n'abatanzania gusa. Ninkirika okay, abantu bo muri Kenya no muri Tanzania bazaba displayed. Nindangiza nibi liste bayinsabye nje kuyikopiya, nyikopiya ahantu runaka bite nuko nshaka kuyikoresha. So guys, ni muri ubu buryo ushobora gukoresha sorting and filter, bivana muri sorting and filter group. Kano ka video ramutse ubonye kagufashije, wadufasha kakadusharingira mu yandi magroupe cyase no ku bandi bantu bashobora kwiga ibintu bya ICT. So mukomeze mugire umunsi mwiza.